Rumeli Fortress, a tale of two towers. On the European shores of the Bosphorus, a proud sentinel stands guard. Rumelihisarı, or the Fortress of Rumelia, rises defiantly, a testament to the ingenuity and ambition of its creator, Mehmed the Conqueror. Mehmed, a mere 21 years old, faced a daunting task. The Byzantine capital, Constantinople, stood on the opposite shore, seemingly impregnable. Its massive walls had defied countless invaders for centuries. But Mehmed had a plan. In 1452, he ordered the construction of a fortress on the Bosphorus. The location was strategic. Ships from the Black Sea had to pass through this narrow channel to reach Constantinople. With Rumelihisarı in place, Mehmed could control the flow of ships and supplies to the city. The construction of the fortress was a remarkable feat.